Da cần gì khi hàng rào bảo vệ bị tổn thương? Không cần phức tạp, chỉ cần đơn giản. Đúng điều da thiếu là ceramide Simple Prepare Plus mới với hợp chất Pro Ceramide. Da phục hồi lại hàng rào bảo vệ chỉ sau 2 giờ. Hàng rào da yếu cần sự đơn giản. Đơn giản là simple.
If you are looking for a creamy keyboard with an LCD screen and a numpad, this is the Youngzy IF99. This is a 98% keyboard that supports QMK and VIA, and this is compatible with Mac, Windows, Linux, and Android. You are getting tri-mode connectivity, so you can run this wired or wireless. If you are running wireless, you are getting an 8,000 milliamp battery, which will last you a long time. And if you are running this keyboard wirelessly, they hide your 2.4 dongle in the upper right-hand corner behind that metal badge, which is really great for easy storage. And when you do run this keyboard wired, you are getting 1,000 hertz polling rate. You're also getting a beautiful case design with this weighted backplate, and on the backside it says one click to infinity. This is also a 3 and 5 pin hot swappable keyboard, but they do include some pre-lubed linear switches. And this is the Gatoron 0 switch, which sounds amazing. Anytime you're getting a keyboard with a number pad, LCD screen, QMK, and VIA support is an awesome deal. I left you that link below. Is the Electfox Gen 75 better than the Aula F75 Max? Now, both of these are excellent budget and creamy keyboards. The Electfox Gen 75 is the newest one to hit the market. So let's break down some of the differences. They are both 75% layouts with a knob. The F75 Max does come with a customizable screen. Both have gasket mounted structures. Both offer tri-mode connectivity. Both have 2-stage flippy feet. They both have plastic cases, and both have south-facing RGB. As far as build quality, I do think the Aula F75 Max is slightly better, but here's where the Gen 75 separates itself from the rest. You are getting some pretty cool RGB on the side of the case, and this is VIA compatible, which means you have the best software to program your keyboard. So it really just comes down to where you want to put your money. Would you rather spend more money and have the better build quality with a customizable screen? Or would you rather have the Gen 75 where the build quality is not as nice, but you are getting better RGB and you are getting better software? That is honestly a pretty tough decision. The Gen 75 is almost half the price of the Aula F75 Max, so I left you that link below.